Hello guys, for this video I'm going to show you the Postman collection plus Open Weather Map. So I'm going to show you how you can use API data from Open Weather website with the Postman app. So the first step is to open postman.com/downloads. You may download the app, but for now I'm going to try the web version. So you may also try to fill up the following details, but you can also use your Google account to sign up. So after that, it transfers you to this section. It welcomes you, and it wants us to tell us about yourself. So you may enter. It wants us to enter our name, and then enter what is your role. So I would choose as student because I am a student. So continue. So let us wait. So this is the menu. So before working in Postman, go to openweathermap.org. So go to sign in and create new account. So here. So enter the following details. And check on the CAPTCHA. And then create account. So after that, it will direct us to their main page. And also before we can work with the Open Weather Map, it needs us to verify our email. So since I am using my Gmail account, so let's go to Gmail and verify it. So our email address has been confirmed and verified. So the next thing is go to API keys so that we can generate and create a key. Click on generate. So before generating, we must enter an API key name. So now here is our new key. So we can use this to generate and use our Open Weather Map to the Postman app. So after generating a key, go to API. In here, Weather API, and find current weather data. And click on API doc. And here you can find on how to make an API call, all the instructions, the examples. Let us try to check on such an API. So here, let's click on this site, copy paste it. You only know that the API has a question mark on the end of it. So let's add. So let us go back to Postman and add. In here, we are going to paste the URL that we have copied. Let's try to sending request. So as you can see, it says an invalid API key because we still don't have an API key yet. So let's go back to the API keys that we have generated. So let's copy the first one we have generated. So in here we have some examples of API calls. So in parameters, if there's a queue, that means it is a city. So here we have an example for London. So we're going to copy that. So this makes it our location. To copy paste that to our Postman. So in order to have a value, we must put the key. So just put a name of a key and its value. So our value would be the generated keys that we have created. So here we're going to copy this one. So we pasted it, and as you can see, it still says an error. So clicking on the site, so see an error 401. So you did not specify an API key, or we have to wait for 30 minutes or more. So in order to fix this error, we're going to click up the setup new authorization, and below that says miss authorization. By clicking that, this pop-up will open, and then it needs an API key. So just go back to the weatherman and copy the API key that you have created and paste it back in there. So as you can see, there's a check mark. So we're going to send and try if it is working. So here it is. So it's working. And that's how you integrate the Weatherman app to the Postman app.